Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Looking for a delicious and traditional Sri Lankan leafy dish? Katurumurunga Kola Mallum. Wash the Katurumurunga leaves well and drain, remove the tough stems and finally chop the leaves. Mix the chopped leaves with grated coconut, onion, green chilies, turmeric and salt in a bowl. Heat a pan over low to medium heat and add the mixture. Stir continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes just until the leaves soften and coconut is cooked. Don't overcook, it should stay fresh and green. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Add lime juice and mix well. Enjoy!